Hello, so this is a review for lesson 5 plus 6 and the lesson 8 video. So we've been talking about how equivalent fractions are very similar to equivalent ratios. So let's take a look. This is starting with a review for lesson 5 plus 6. So on Tuesday, the ratio of the number of students in Ms. Reichbark's class who wanted A lunch to B lunch was 5 to 3. On Wednesday, the ratio of students who wanted A lunch to B lunch was 1 to 7. If 21 students wanted B lunch on Wednesday, how many students wanted B lunch on Tuesday? Okay, so in this question, what do we know? What are the ratios, and what do the ratios represent? The first ratio we see is 5 to 3, where 5 represents A lunch, 3 represents B lunch. And this 5 to 3, the entire ratio, represents Tuesday, the students who wanted A lunch to B lunch on Tuesday. The next ratio we see is 1 to 7, which represents Wednesday. Again, it's A lunch to B lunch. So notice these are the two ratios. We have 5 to 3 and 1 to 7. Okay, except this is A lunch, this is B lunch. This is also A to B. Except this is for Tuesday, and then this is for Wednesday. Okay, so what information do I know? It tells me if 21 students wanted B lunch on Wednesday. B lunch on Wednesday. So I'm looking for B lunch on Wednesday. There's the 7 is B lunch on Wednesday. If this 7 represents 21 students, if I were to imagine a tape diagram, that's 7 boxes that represent 21. How much does each box represent? So it's 7 to 1. That means each, I'm going to do 21 divided by 7. So it's 21 divided by 7, which equals to 3 in each of these little boxes. The value of each box is 3. That goes the same for this. So that means if there's 3 boxes, that means there are a total of, if I have 21 plus 3, because this 3 is A lunch and this is B lunch, Miss Reichbark has 24 students in her class because 21 is here, 21 wanted B, and 3 wanted A. 3. That means this is asking how many students want B lunch on Tuesday. That means I have 3 boxes of 3, which there are 9 students who wanted B lunch, and 15. So 15 students wanted A lunch, and 9 students wanted B lunch. 15 students wanted A lunch, and 9 students wanted B lunch. Okay. The main question was how many students wanted B lunch? 9 students wanted B lunch. However, if I check, I have 24 students here and 24 students here. So the number of students didn't change.